Hello everyone. Today we will, discuss about data science, and it's especially going to be useful for the beginners. And like, if you're already good at data science, it's going to be. I think it's also good, like a reminder. So today we're going deep into data cleaning. So what's the data cleaning? Sounds kind of boring, right? But stick with me because it's actually super important, and I promise I'll make it easy, practical, and even fun. And you can listen to it and watch at the same time. Text version on the screen. So what is data cleaning anyway? Think of data cleaning like organizing your like a messy room. If you cannot find like your socks or homework because like your stuff is everywhere, you'll waste time and maybe even miss something important, right? So the same goes for data. Like if your data isn't tidy, you will get lost, like might make mistakes or get results that do not make sense. So cleaning your data is all about finding mistakes and finding and fixing them before you even start realizing, or you even start analyzing or making decisions based on it. And you can ask, why should you care? Okay, imagine this scenario, like your favorite music app recommends, like, for example, new songs to you. How does it do that? With the data, of course. It collects information, what songs you play. Yeah, forget about privacy. Skip or repeat. But if the data gets mixed up, maybe you lent your phone to your little sister, and now the appling thinks you love like a nursery rhymes. Not cool, right? So in other words, data becoming messy because other person also using that. So good clean data means the app knows exactly what you like. It gives you awesome music recommendations instead of nursery rhymes on repeat. That's exactly why big companies like from Netflix to Amazon take data cleaning so seriously. They depend on it to make good choices and keep customers happy, because uh, the more precise data, the more sales they can make. I guess it makes sense. Common data problems and why they matter. Like, let's talk about the top issues you will face when data isn't cleaned properly. Like understanding like this is like a learning the rules of a game, and once you get it, everything becomes easier. Like, first of all, it is about missing data. Imagine you're tracking your screen time to figure out like if you spend too much time online. If you forgot to track a day, like your final numbers would be off, right? That missing data point might seem small, but it can really mess up your averages and conclusions. Second, wrong or impossible data. For example, what if your school's data says like one student is 130 years old? Kind of funny, yeah. Clearly, that's impossible. Mistakes like these common, and must be fixed because they completely distort your results. Another one is about duplicating data. Like, say you have a list of your friends' phone numbers, but your best friend's number appears like 3 times, and that's unnecessary and confusing. Uh, duplicate data. In other words, unnecessary copy data twice or triple times. Duplicate data can make results look skewed, like you have more contacts than you actually do. Another one you should know about: inconsistent data formats. For example, you recorded your daily running distance as, like, 2 miles, 3 kilometers, and 5,000 feet on different days, and comparing these directly doesn't work. Standardizing the units and format first is critical, and then we can go to the how to actually how to actually do data cleaning, like, without getting overwhelmed. So let's get practical. Here's your easy, like, a real world approach to cleaning data, like step by step, no fancy words or, like, academic complicated math required. Step 1: check your data carefully. Like, before you do anything else, just look at your data. Does, like, anything look weird? Is something clearly wrong or missing? This step is all about, like, noticing the problems first, and trust your instincts. If it looks off, it probably is. Second step is about, like, handling missing data, like, fill or remove. In other words, when data is missing, you have, like, two easy choices. First of all, you can remove it, just like, deleting a blurry photo. You might remove a record if it won't hurt your, like, a final results. Or, like, you can fill it with a sensible guesses. Like, if your screen time data is missing one day, fill it with an average. Like, for example, if you usually spend, like, around 3 hours per day, just fill in the gap with 3 hours. Simple. The third step, it's about wrong data, correct mistakes. In other words, if you spot something impossible, like a friend being, again, 130 years old or something, it's wrong. Check the correct information or remove it entirely. This helps keep your data accurate and trustworthy. In other words, it's all about making accurate data and cutting bullshit. Step 4, it's about getting rid of duplicates, clean up copies. Duplicates happen all the time. Like, imagine your contact list with repeated names. Delete those, like, extra entries, leaving one accurate record. You will end up, with a clearer, simpler data that gives you better insights. Step 5: standardize your formats. In other words, make it match. Always record your data consistently, like, pick a format and stick it to it, like dates, like, let's say 2025, 0310, or, like, measurements all in meters. Consistency makes analyzing much smoother. So let's go to real life example, super practical. Let's bring this to life with an example everyone can relate to. Like, for example, tracking how much water you drink daily to stay healthy. your data looks like this initially, like let's say Monday 2 liters, Tuesday missing, Wednesday 1.5 liters, Thursday 2000 milliliters, Friday 2 liters, twice by mistake, Saturday 2 liters, Sunday no data. So let's clean this mess step by step. So missing Tuesday, right? Fill with average about 2 liters. Then Thursday in milliliters, convert to liters. It's gonna be there for 2 liters. Okay, duplicate Friday, delete extra entry. And Sunday unknown, consider removing it completely. So now your clean tidy data looks like this. You can see on the screen like this table with a day and water, like a liters amount of water, and what we get in as a result, clean data, clear insights. Now you can easily see if you're drinking enough water every day. Cool tools for data cleaning, like you don't need even like a coding or something. You don't have to be a coding genius to clean data. Here's some easy to use tools, like for example Google Sheets, Excel, like great for beginners. You can easily spot mistakes and quickly fix them visually. Or another one, Open Refine, a free app designed specifically for cleaning, messy data without needing like any programming skills. Like mistakes to avoid, I can give quick tips. First one, rushing through cleaning, like a sloppy cleaning leads to sloppy results. Ignoring small errors, even like small mistakes can like a snowball into big ones. Another one, guessing blindly, like always feel missing data thoughtfully, not randomly. Be accurate and pay attention to the details. So, quick summary of today's podcast. Data cleaning is tidying your data to remove mistakes. Common issues like missing data, wrong data, duplicates, inconsistent formats. How to clean. Find problems, fix or remove mistakes, and standardize your data clearly. About real world applications, clean data means like better decisions, happier customers, accurate insights, and business. In terms of business, you're getting more sales, more profit. You happy, customer happy. Tools to try: Google Sheets, Excel, Open Refine, easy and effective. So next time, you have data, school project, tracking habits, or personal goals, take a few minutes to clean it first. You will be amazed how much easier everything becomes. And remember, good data, good results. Keep your data tidy, your life simple, and your results reliable. So thanks for listening today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening.